If email marketers took the time and the effort to build a simple email marketing plan, the world will see a lot less spam. So this is really the case study for the day. We are discussing about Axis Bank. So if you are the email marketing manager at Axis Bank and you have to decide on the email marketing plan, if you have to firm up the email marketing plan for Axis Bank, one of the first things that you have to do, step one, is to decide. So by the way, this is for the retail products of Axis Bank. So this would be credit cards, investment accounts, saving bank accounts, those things like those. So the first step is to decide on who would be which, you have a lot of options when it comes to retail banking products, but you can look at college students, you can look at say 21 to 25, 25 to 35. So within all of these, which would you focus on? Which would you think is the low hanging fruit, right? Because once you decide on that, step two is to make a plan to continuously get the database of the target group that you have chosen, right? Because unless you have a plan for doing that, because of the if I can use the word pathetic open rates of emails, it becomes very essential that you have to have a continuous plan of getting new emails, right? So that is step two. And the third step is to come up with some ideas with respect to what is it that you're going to be mailing your target audience, because the first mail never moves the needle, right? It's always about what kind of communication do you have in your in the series of mails that you have, say 3 mails, 4 mails, 5 mails over say a couple of months. What is it that you can say in these 5 mails which can actually move the needle and get people more interested in opening up and in engaging with Axis Bank. So that's really the case study of the day. Thank you.